Ever wondered how to stretch your budget without compromising on the quality of life? Welcome to a guide on maximizing value through frugal living. Here, sophistication is not about how much you spend, but how wisely you do it. So sit back and prepare to take notes as we delve into the art of living well on a budget. First off, the cornerstone of frugal living is budgeting. Know your income, track your expenses, and plan ahead. Remember, a budget is not a restriction, but a roadmap to financial freedom. Next, think about the power of DIY. From home decor to simple car repairs, doing it yourself can save a lot of money. Plus, it can be a fun and rewarding experience. The third tip is to shop smart. Look for sales, compare prices, and don't shy away from secondhand items. Pre-loved items can often provide the same functionality at a fraction of the cost. Fourth, consider adopting a minimalist lifestyle. Less is more when it comes to spending. Ask yourself, do I really need this before every purchase? The fifth tip is to invest in quality. While this may seem counterintuitive, buying a high-quality item once can save more in the long run than buying a cheap item multiple times. Next, learn to cook. Eating out frequently can eat into your budget. Preparing meals at home not only saves money, but also allows control over what goes into your food. The seventh tip is to maximize your resources. Use libraries for books, community centers for fitness classes, and enjoy local parks for outdoor activities. Tip 8 is to be energy efficient. Small changes like turning off lights when not in use and using energy-efficient appliances can add up to big savings over time. Finally, remember to save and invest. Even small amounts, when saved and invested wisely, can grow into a significant nest egg over time. To recap, frugal living involves budgeting, embracing DIY, shopping smart, minimalist living, investing in quality, cooking at home, maximizing available resources, being energy efficient, and saving and investing. It's about making smart decisions that maximize value and minimize waste. Living frugally doesn't mean depriving yourself. It means living smarter, being in control of your finances, and making your money work for you. So, why not start your journey towards frugal living today?